Hey, what's up, guys? So we went out of town today to do a little shopping, and so we're gonna hit up some thrift stores with the mother-in-law, the sister-in-law, and the family. And right now we're at a Goodwill, so I'm gonna go see what I can find in there. I'm gonna do like a little thrifting segment, and I don't really go in there looking for anything particular. I like antiques or anything miniature, like anything I can redo, like furniture and flip and sell, like, you know, something of that nature is what I really look for. But yep, so we're gonna go here and hit up a few other thrifting spots and like a Marshalls and stuff like that and look for good deals. So I'm gonna go and see what I can find.
Hey, babe. Hey, Josh.
Hey, baby.
The rocking chair works.
This stuff right here is awesome if you have like joint pain or anything like that, or like, you know, maybe a tension headache. You can rub it on your neck and stuff like that, and it is really good for that kind of stuff. All right, now we're eating. This is our first time at Freddy's Steak Burgers and frozen custard. Hola. Oh my God, it's Thrilled Thrifter. Hey, what y'all doing? Hey, what's up? It's Josh. Just going over the haul. I didn't get anything. I wound up just not really finding anything I really wanted, but Kelsey did get a few things from the Goodwill. She got this picture that she really liked, and she put it on our shelf up here with all our other decorations. Got like a bunch of pictures of buildings and stuff like that. Just looks kind of cool, vintagey type stuff. And she got this vase from over there, and of course she put some greenery to go with it on top of everything else that she put in our shelf. And then she also found this glass set, which came with the taller goblets, 2 of these, and it came with 6 smaller goblets right here. I really like those for like company and stuff like that. And these as well, came with 6. Okay, guys, thanks for shopping with me. And unfortunately, I didn't get anything, but Kelsey got a bunch of cool stuff, and we'll do it again sometime. Thank you.
You guys, so what we are going to make is a taco ring. You're going to need 2 things of crescent rolls, some Spanish rice as a side, that's what we like, a pound of ground meat, and some Mexican blend cheese, shredded cheese. Any kind of cheese would work. So that's what we're going to be using. And then first you're just going to ground your meat the way you like it. And then I use this little handy tool to ground up my meat. It's so much easier. And so yeah, and then I'm going to salt and pepper it really good, make sure it's seasoned right. Here you see me pouring water and oil in, and I'm just trying to get the Spanish rice ready to cook. And now we're just getting ready while the meat and rice are cooking on the stove. We're getting the crescent rolls ready and going to roll them out and put them all around the baking pan. And you see Miss Browley is always at the bar helping me. She loves helping me cook while I'm in the kitchen. So she's going to be helping me with this part. Okay, so now I have the dough part, the crescent rolls ready. I'm going to be sprinkling this taco seasoning I have all around the meat, and I'm not measuring, I'm just eyeballing it and just spreading it all over the meat. While I'm cooking dinner, this is what's going on. Addie girl, come on! Okay, now it's time to put the meat and cheese inside the crescent rolls. And you can go ahead and drain your meat too, but I just got a spatula that has like the holes in it, and I just kind of tap it onto my pan to drain like the sauce and the fat and grease and all that. So I'm just going to be spreading the meat all around inside the crescent rolls. And now I'm just going to take the crescent roll that was hanging out and just fold it over the meat and cheese. And I'm just going to do this all around and just kind of tap it and make sure it like kind of stays with your fingers. And so that's just what I'm just going to do this all around. What you got there, Bro?
A loose tube.
A loose tube? Let me see. Oh, it's about to come out. Can I pull it? Why not? Okay, so this is how it ended up looking on my plate. I got the Spanish rice and the taco ring, and on top of the taco ring, I put lettuce, jalapenos, and sour cream, and it was delicious. So this is just just a quick, easy meal, and it's yummy, and you can also add other sides as well. Hey everyone, Kara here, and today I'm going to be setting my table with a new table runner and some decor and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get started. And after the table runner, I'm going to set this tray I just had laying around the house, and I thought I'd use it for the table and make a good base for the table to put decor and stuff on it. So I'm going to be using this. Okay, what you're seeing here is a floral arrangement. I'm going to be using, the flowers are fake because I can't keep anything alive. But anyways, yeah. So we're going to be using this floral arrangement and this little canister with plastic forks and spoons. And yeah, because we are all about that plasticware. And this cute little barn, I thought it was adorable to use on the table and set out. It's just so cute. And so yeah, I'm going to be setting that right here as well. And then you're going to see me put a candle to light up the dining room area, and it smells good. So I just found this laying around and I thought I'd use it on the table as well. And this here is like a tea towel or something. I'm not really sure what to do with it. So I'm just laying it at this chair because no one really sits at that chair. So I'll just set it there all nice and neat.
Both kids are asleep or going to sleep, so I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning. I don't have much time because Brigham only takes like a 45-minute nap, so. No, this is like really concerning. We got this new faucet for Christmas, and we had to bring out the hoses right there, so we just haven't bought the little things that sit in it to seal it, so it's kind of hard to wash the dishes without splashing water down there, but I'm doing the best I can until Josh goes to Home Depot or something and puts something on there.
Thanks for watching, everybody, and see you in the next video. Bye.